Welcome to Universe on My Plate, my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be delving into some fascinating information about planet Mercury and exploring what makes it unique. Let's begin with some basic facts about Mercury. This planet is the closest one to the Sun and is named after the Roman messenger god. Its diameter is just 4,880 kilometers, which is about a third of Earth's size. Due to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury has an exceptionally short year. It takes only 88 Earth days for it to complete one orbit. One of the most remarkable features of Mercury is its surface. Unlike Earth, which has a dynamic surface with tectonic activity and erosion, Mercury is an ancient planet with a mostly unchanging surface. This means that many of the craters and other features on Mercury's surface have remained preserved for billions of years. The planet is covered in impact craters to such an extent that its surface resembles our moon. Mercury's atmosphere, or lack of it, is another fascinating feature. As it's so close to the Sun, the planet is bombarded by solar wind and radiation. Over time, this has stripped away much of its atmosphere, leaving it with only a thin layer of gas around its surface. This makes Mercury a scorching planet, with temperatures on its surface reaching up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. When the planet faces the Sun, its surface becomes hot enough to melt lead, while on the night side, temperatures can plummet to -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -180 degrees Celsius. This makes it one of the most extreme temperature environments in the solar system. Mercury's rotation is also unusual. Unlike most planets, which rotate on their axes in a relatively stable manner, Mercury has a peculiar wobble in its rotation. This means that over time, different parts of the planet's surface are exposed to the Sun, causing uneven heating and cooling. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury has been visited by spacecraft from Earth. NASA's Mariner 10 spacecraft flew past Mercury 3 times in 1974 and 1975, providing the first close-up images of the planet. In 2011, NASA's Messenger spacecraft entered orbit around Mercury and spent 4 years studying the planet's surface and composition. Let's talk about some of the mysteries that still surround Mercury. One of the most significant ones is the planet's strange magnetic field. Unlike Earth's magnetic field, which is generated by its molten core, Mercury's magnetic field is much weaker and more complex. Scientists aren't entirely sure how it's generated, but they believe it might be related to the planet's iron-rich core. Mercury has an eccentric orbit, which means that it's not a perfect circle. Its orbit is more like an ellipse, with Mercury moving closer and further away from the Sun at different times. This can make it challenging for spacecraft to study the planet, as they have to navigate through a constantly changing gravitational field. Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system after Earth. This is partly due to its small size and high metal content, giving it a relatively large iron core. In fact, the planet's density is higher than that of some moons in the outer solar system, which are much larger but less dense. Lastly, Mercury is one of the 5 planets visible to the naked eye from Earth. It can only be seen for a brief period after sunset or before sunrise, owing to its proximity to the Sun. Ancient civilizations, such as the Greeks and Romans, were aware of Mercury's existence and named it after their messenger gods. So, those are some intriguing facts about the planet Mercury. From its small size and short year to its impact cratered surface and mysterious magnetic field, Mercury is an incredible world that still holds many secrets. We hope you enjoyed learning some exciting facts about Mercury. If you want to know more about our universe, please like, share, and subscribe to the Universe on My Plate YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.